For TISNET 2021, just 6 months are remaining. So all the aspirants, those who are starting their preparation from July onwards, for them we have come up with the big announcement, guys, which is nothing but the All India free mock test competition. So whether you have started your preparation or you are still planning to start your preparation, do participate in this competition, guys. After this mock test competition, you will get to know what is your izzat till now for the test preparation and how we have to fight to win the battle for TISS 2021. Alright, so All India free mock test competition which is starting from 1st of July 10 PM से आपका mock activate हो जाएगा, guys, and it will end by 5th of July 10 PM again. So it is 5 days window. So it is free mock test, just you have to pay 10 rupees just to access the platform, guys. That is very negligible amount. The best part of this All India mock test competition is nothing but you will get the replica of actual test paper. So you can attempt this mock test, guys, on mobile phone, laptop, desktop. So mock test will get activated on your portal by tomorrow 10 PM. So you can start registering for this mock test. Now let me tell you about the registration process for this mock test. Also, if you have any query and doubt, you can contact on this number, guys. So you have to log on to menuedu.com website, and after then courses, MBA entrance, TISNET. This is what are some of the information about the TISNET. Scroll down कर लो और यहाँ पे दिखेगा TISNET 2021 evaluate yourself mock test. Just click on it. And this is what the mock test will open. TISNET 2021 All India free mock test competition which is starting from tomorrow 1st of July से लेके 5th of July तक रहेगा. So from add to cart, join this program, guys. You have to pay just minimum 10 rupees just to access the platform. After writing the mock test, you will get the ranking and separately I'll be making the video also for the same. Also direct link for the registration मैंने description में दे दिया हुआ है, guys. So kindly check the description. आप link पे directly click करके you can register for the mock test. So this is what the big challenge for all the TISS 2021 aspirant. So in this mock test we have kept the window of 1000 participant. So only 1000 participant can register for this mock test. Last time 100 का हमने capacity रखा था, that got crashed. So that is why this time we have increased the window कि 1000 तक लोग register कर ले. So guys, do share this video to all your friends जो भी TISS के लिए prepare कर रहा है, जिससे competition और बढ़े and we also get to know कि अपन कहाँ पे stand करते हैं. So best part of this competition is what? Maximum लोग participate कर रहे हैं, अपने को all India ranking मिलेगी. And very important thing, guys, we get to know our izzat, where we stand basically by today. So after this mock test competition we get to know what is our caliber और अपने को कितना fight मारना है preparation को लेकर के and what type of the question comes in the exam. So whether you have prepared or not prepared doesn't matter. आपने preparation चालू की है या नहीं की है doesn't matter. It is important to participate in mock test. After this competition you can think about your preparation strategy. So once again, guys, 1st of July कल से चालू हो रहा है ये window. So if you are watching this video today, start registering for the mock test. So by tomorrow 10 PM activate हो जाएगा mock आपका and by 5th of July 10 PM को आपका window close हो जाएगा. After then it will get expire. So let's see, guys, who will be the All India topper, who will be scoring the highest marks out of 100. So let's take this challenge, guys, to become a topper in this competition. Alright, so registration link for the mock test I have given you in the description, guys, so kindly check the description. And in case if you want to join our online live preparation batch, you can contact to our online team. They will guide you regarding the online preparation, where you can connect with us live and you can study from home. Also for detailed information, guys, you can log on to menuedu.com website. All the very best for, guys, for this All India mock test competition. Thank you.